Welcome to the Settings page. Under the General tab, you can manage all core organizational details. Upload your company logo to display on invoices. Update business information such as tax IDs, industry type, and daily call volume. You can also adjust primary contact information and physical business address details for accurate account documentation. Next, access billing to manage subscription plans and account invoicing. Switch to usage to monitor remaining call minutes and configure extra usage options. The API section is crucial for connecting hypersales with external applications. Click Create API Key to generate dedicated access tokens. API keys allow custom webhooks, third-party forms, and automated software pipelines to communicate directly with your platform. Enter a recognizable key name like New Leads. Adjust the default read and write permissions to restrict security access to write only. Click Save Key to finalize token creation. Make sure to copy and store your key safely before closing. Once created, copy the generated API key and store it securely, as it will not be displayed again. Click OK to return to the key list. With active API keys, you can integrate external platforms like Zapier or Make, execute custom code scripts, and build automated lead management workflows. Your development team can trigger automated actions, export data, and update leads dynamically, giving you complete programmatic control over your entire platform. Finally, navigate to integrations to connect third-party services like Google. Connecting Google enables seamless Google Calendar sync for scheduling appointments and direct Gmail integration for sending emails through AI agents. Simply authorize your Google account using the quick OAuth process. Should you need to leave the session, use the Logout button below the menu options. Thank you for watching this settings guide.